In this video, I will be showing you how to replace the low beam headlight on a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. As you can see, the left side's working, but the right side or passenger side low beam is burnt out. These vehicles have two different bulbs. This is your high beam, and this one here is your low beam. Let's get under the hood, show you how to replace the H11 Bravo bulb. You're gonna see there's two covers. You have this cover here and this cover here. This one here, right, the one that's closest to the radiator, is your high beam. But this one here is the one that we need to replace, your low beam, or the one that's furthest away from the radiator. So before I do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and put some vinyl gloves on to prevent oils from my hands to getting on this bulb. The oil in your hand could make this bulb prematurely quit working, or so I'm told. This cover pretty much just spins off, so righty tighty, lefty loosey. So we're gonna turn it left or counterclockwise, and you should hear it pop and it comes right out. Now on this bulb, this plug here, you do not mess with that. You want to do is grab the bulb itself, which is this piece here, and turn it out. So once it's turned, you should be able to just pull it right out. Do not try to remove that wire. These two pieces here, when you turn the bulb in, connects into the connector itself. So now we take the new bulb, and it's just the reverse process. We're going to slide it in, get it into the channel. Once it's in, you're going to turn it clockwise or to the right, and it should go right into the wire connector. Now you take your cover, get that cover in there, and then we turn it clockwise until it don't go anymore. Now if you had to do the high beam, it's pretty simple, but it's a little bit different. So you just turn the cover counterclockwise, just like the other one. This one does have a connector that pulls off, so you would take the connector off, or the wiring off, and then there's a clip right here that you would just push down and up, and then that bulb slides right out of there. And then you just simply put the new one in. And then you just put your wire back on. Make sure it's on good. And the cover goes back on until you can't turn it anymore. And that's it. Last thing is you want to make sure it works. So you turn on your lights, and there she is. It's always a good idea when you have one bulb out to go ahead and just check all your bulbs to make sure they're all, you know, work in order. And that's all there is to replacing the H11 Bravo bulb on a 2009 Hyundai Elantra. The early model Hyundai Elantras, I believe they're all the same, not 100% sure. You'll know when you get in there. It shouldn't be that difficult to replace. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. You all take care, God bless. I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.